Discover the future of kitchen design with Puustelli SmartFrame. The heart of the cabinet is the innovative and award-winning SmartFrame. Every detail is engineered for durability and longevity. Choose from a wide range of widths to fit any kitchen layout. Modularity with endless functional options to choose from. Personalize your kitchen with a wide selection of door styles. SmartFrame is built to work with any layout. Every component adapts to your design vision. Precision engineering guarantees effortless assembly and exceptional durability. One system, endless possibilities. SmartFrame is durable and sustainable, water-resistant, heat-resistant, and tested for low VOC. Puustelli SmartFrame, innovative design for a better future.